United Architects of the Philippines, and professional practice in 15 seconds. Part of the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act 9266, also known as the Architecture Act of 2004, replacing the 1979 Document 201. Scope of pre-design services. Number 1, consultation. Number 2, pre-design feasibility studies. Number 3, feasibility studies. Number 4, site selection analysis. Number 5, site utilization and land use studies. Number 6, architectural research. Number 7, architectural programming. Number 8, space planning. Number 9, space management studies. Number 10, value management. Number 11, design brief preparation. And last, number 12, promotional services. Okay?